Hey guys, it's Luke here from Killer Inc. And yes, you might have heard the news, FK Irons have just released a brand new version of the FK1. So in this video, we're gonna go over what's new, what's been improved, and why this might just be your next machine. Let's go. Okay, so at its core, this upgrade is about three different things: longer sessions, clearer visibility of settings, and better control. It's been designed to be one machine that can handle pretty much everything you need it to. So here's a list of the upgraded features. First, we have voltage adjustments. You can now adjust your voltage in 0.2 volt increments instead of just the 0.5 of the original. That means much finer tuning and way better precision over how the machine runs. Next, we have dual rechargeable batteries. The upgrade includes two batteries designed for non-stop power and all-day tattooing. You get the 18500A short battery offering 5.5 hours of runtime, and the 18650GA long battery offering 6.5 hours of runtime. Now that's potentially 12 hours of runtime, depending on, of course, how you use your machine. Then we have the new digital LCD display. The 1.1-inch display screen gives a much clearer view of your settings so you can check and adjust quickly and easily without breaking your flow mid-session. Performance-wise, it's running on a brushed coreless motor, meaning a smoother, more consistent operation throughout your entire session. In terms of versatility, you've got fixed stroke options, either 3 or 4mm. So whether you're lining, shading, or packing, it's got you covered. For added comfort, it works very well with the ErgoShield Grip and all disposable FK Irons grips. The FK1 upgrade also comes in 3 different colours: Stealth, Gunmetal, and Pop Pink. So you can customise your setup. And in the box, you get in the eFest Slim K2 charger, a USB-C cable, and a travel case. If you've not tried it yet, head over to Killer Inc. and get yours today. And if you have, let us know in the comments how it compares to the original. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.